Unpack tuples. Unpacking a tuple. When we create a tuple, we normally assign values to it. This is called packing a tuple. Okay. Fruits equals to apple, banana, and cherry. Print fruits. So what is that? Once again, unpacking a tuple. When we create a tuple, we normally assign values to it. This is called packing a tuple. Packing a tuple. Fruits equals to apple, banana, and cherry. But in Python, we are also allowed to extract the values back into variables. This is called unpacking, and this is also called restructuring in React.js. So unpacking a tuple. Fruits equals to apple, banana, and cherry. Now it's another tuple. Green, yellow, red equals to fruits. So if you print green, it's gonna be apple. If you print yellow, it's gonna be banana. If you print red, it's gonna be cherry in separate lines. The number of variables must match the number of values in the tuple. If not, you must use an asterisk to collect the remaining values as a list. Same as React.js using asterisk. If the number of variables is less than the number of values, you can add an asterisk to the variable name and the values will be assigned to the variable as a list. Assign the rest of the values as a list called red. Fruits equals to apple, banana, cherry, strawberry, raspberry. Then if you green, yellow, and also asterisk red. So green, if you take print out, green will be apple, yellow will be banana, and red will be a tuple of cherry, strawberry, and raspberry. And it's gonna be a list. The asterisk red, node, and tuple. Okay, and also note that when you take the printout of red, you don't have to use asterisk. If the asterisk is added to another variable name, then the last Python will assign values to the variable until the number of values left matches the number of variables left. Okay, so it's gonna be something like this: green, then comma, asterisk tropic, comma, red. So green is gonna be apple, red is gonna be cherry, and tropic is gonna be mango, papaya, pineapple, this particular list. Let's go to the next chapter. It's only 3 minutes in this particular tutorial. Loop tuples. Loop through a tuple. You can loop through the tuple items by using a for loop. Iterate through the items and print the values. This tuple equals to apple, banana, cherry. For x in this tuple, print of x, print x, which means that apple, banana, and cherry will be in 3 separate lines. Learn more about for loops in our Python for loops chapter, loop through the index numbers. You can also loop through the tuple items by referring to their index number. Okay, use the range and len functions to create a suitable iterable. Print all items by referring to their index number. This tuple equals to apple, banana, cherry, and it's a tuple. For I in range of length of this tuple colon, print this tuple of I. So length of this tuple will return 3. Range of 3, this will return the value 0, 1, 2. So for I will be first 0, then I will be 1, after that I will be 2. So print of, if you this tuple of 0, apple will be printed out, and this tuple of 1, banana will be printed out, and then this tuple of 2, cherry will be printed out in 3 separate lines, like this particular output. Using a while loop, you can loop through the list items by using a while loop. Use the len function to determine the length of the tuple. Then start at 0 and loop your way through the tuple items by referring to their indexes. Remember to increase the index by 1 after each iteration. Print all items using a while loop to go through all the index numbers. Okay, this tuple equals to apple, banana, cherry. I equals to 0 while I is less than len of this tuple. Len of this tuple will return 3 while I is less than 3 colon. Print this tuple of I. So first this tuple of 0, which is apple, will be printed, and then I will be I plus 1, which that will be then I will be then 1. So 1 is still less than 3. Print of this tuple of 1. So this time banana will be printed out, and after that cherry will be printed out. Learn more about while loops in our Python while loops chapter. Join tuples. To join two or more tuples, you can use the plus operator. Join two tuples. Tuple 1 ABC, tuple 2 is 1, 2, 3. Okay, tuple 3 equals to tuple 1 plus tuple 2. So print tuple 3. Now we're gonna have ABC, comma 1, 2, 3. Okay. Tuple 3 is not tuple 1. You need to understand that, unlike the previous time. Okay, multiply tuples. If you want to multiply the content of a tuple a given number of times, you can use the asterisk operator. Multiply the fruits tuple by 2. Fruits equals to apple, banana, cherry. My tuple equals to fruits multiplied by 2. Print my tuple. This is gonna be, what is gonna be the output? Okay, since my tuple equals to fruits multiplied by 2, so it's gonna be apple, banana, cherry, and then again apple, banana, cherry. Tuple methods. Python has built-in methods that you can use on tuples. Method and description. Count method returns the number of items a specified value occurs in a tuple. And then index method searches the tuple for a specified value and returns the position of where it was found. Okay. Tuple exercises. Test yourself with exercises. Now you have learned a lot about tuples and how to use them in Python. Are you ready for the test? Try to insert the missing part to make the code work as expected. Print the first item in the fruits tuple. That's very easy. First of all, I have to write fruits. Then I have to use square brackets. First item will have the index number 0. Then square bracket closes. Okay, so this is it. If I submit the answer, I will have to submit it once again. Oh gosh. Okay, correct. Python sets. I believe this should be handled in a brand new episode. So until the next time, have a great day.